that goes above that thing. Anywhere from 7 to 11 people. So you're saying less than 10 people? What? Right? It can't be. All right. Don't know how else to say that. Now, if I'm going to write the conclusion, how would I do that? How does that conclusion start? Yeah, we are 99% confident.
That the interval 0.034.
Now be careful. I always want units, and you can argue this, so just change them to percentage. That the interval 3.4% up to does what?
Contains people who
True percentage of people that
like statistics.
like statistics. And again, why is that interval so big? 2 reasons. We wanted 99% confidence. It's going to make it bigger already. Our sample is really small also. So that's going to make it even more error. All right. So on the other side of that sheet, anybody come in and not get this sheet yet from the other day? The one about dolphin lengths on the one side we did? So I want you to do the other side, the one that says 8.3. The one about voted in the last election. You guys see that? This here, right? And now you know what this means.